Finding the best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026 can feel overwhelming, especially with so many Sony E-mount lenses promising sharper video, better portraits, wider vlogging shots, and stronger low-light performance. But the right lens can completely change how your content looks. Whether you're filming YouTube videos, travel clips, cinematic B-roll, portraits, or everyday photography. In this Sony ZV-E10 II lens guide, we'll break down the best options for different creators, budgets, and shooting styles, so you can choose the right lens before you spend your money. Number 6. Sigma 10 to 18mm f2.8 Lens Bundle. Best ultra-wide lens for Sony ZV-E10 II. Vlogging and video in 2026. The Sigma 10 to 18mm f2.8 DC DN contemporary lens for Sony E is a strong choice for creators looking for one of the best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026, especially for vlogging, travel videos, real estate shots, and cinematic wide-angle content. Its ultra-wide 10 to 18mm zoom range gives Sony ZV-E10 II users more flexibility when filming handheld, capturing landscapes, or recording in tight indoor spaces. The constant f2.8 aperture is a big advantage for video creators because it helps maintain brighter exposure and better background separation even in lower light situations. For YouTubers and vloggers, this lens makes it easier to keep yourself and the background in frame without needing to stretch your arm too far. This bundle adds extra value with a Tiffin 67mm UV protector filter, Waith camera backpack, and 64GB Extreme Pro UHS-1 SDXC memory card, making it useful for beginners upgrading their Sony E-mount setup. If you want a compact, sharp, and creator-friendly wide-angle zoom, this Sigma lens is an excellent Sony ZV-E10 II lens option for 2026. Number 5. Sony E11mm f1.8. Best ultra-wide prime lens for Sony ZV-E10 II. Vlogging and video in 2026. Review. The Sony E11mm f1.8 APS-C ultra-wide-angle prime lens is a great pick for creators searching for the best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026, especially if vlogging, handheld video, travel content, or indoor shooting is your main focus. Its 11mm ultra-wide perspective gives you a much wider frame, making it easier to capture yourself, your background, and the scene around you without needing a long selfie arm or extra distance. The bright f1.8 aperture is one of its biggest strengths. It helps in low-light situations, adds a cleaner cinematic look, and creates natural background separation compared to slower kit lenses. For Sony ZV-E10 II users, this lens feels especially useful for YouTube videos, walking shots, talking head content, room setups, and creative wide-angle photography. Because it is a prime lens, you don't get zoom flexibility, but you do get a compact, lightweight, sharp, and fast lens built for creators. If you want one of the best Sony ZV-E10 II lenses for vlogging and video, the Sony 11mm f1.8 is a strong 2026 choice. Number 4. Tamron 17 to 70mm f2.8 VCR-XD. Best all-in-one zoom lens for Sony ZV-E10 II video and photography in 2026. Review. The Tamron 17 to 70mm f2.8 Di3A VCR-XD lens for Sony APS-C cameras is one of the most versatile options to consider in a best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026 buying guide. Instead of switching between multiple lenses, this zoom range covers wide shots, talking head videos, travel scenes, portraits, product shots, and everyday photography with one practical lens. Its constant f2.8 aperture is a major advantage for creators who want brighter footage, smoother background blur, and better performance indoors or in low-light conditions. For Sony ZV-E10 II users, the built-in VC stabilization is especially useful for handheld video, walking shots, and content creation where smoother footage matters. The 17 to 70mm range gives more reach than many standard kit lenses, making it a strong choice for YouTube creators, vloggers, hybrid shooters, and photographers who want flexibility without carrying a full lens setup. It is larger than some compact primes, but the image quality, stabilization, and zoom versatility make it a valuable Sony E-mount lens for 2026 creators. Number 3. Sigma 18 to 50mm F2.8 DC DN. Best compact zoom lens for Sony ZV-E10 II. Video, travel, and photography in 2026. Review. The Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8 DC DN contemporary lens for Sony E is one of the most practical choices in a best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026 lineup, especially for creators who want a compact zoom lens that can handle multiple shooting styles. Its 18 to 50mm range covers everyday video, talking head content, travel clips, portraits, product shots, and casual photography without needing to switch lenses. The constant f2.8 aperture makes this lens more useful than a basic kit zoom because it allows brighter footage, better indoor performance, and smoother background blur. For Sony ZV-E10 II users, it offers a strong balance of portability and image quality, which is ideal for YouTubers, vloggers, and hybrid creators who shoot both photos and videos. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to carry for travel or handheld filming. While it does not have built-in stabilization, the sharp optics, fast aperture, and flexible zoom range make it a reliable Sony E-mount lens for creators who want one lens for daily content creation in 2026. Number 2. Sony E70 to 350mm GOSS. Best telephoto zoom lens for Sony ZV-E10 II, wildlife, sports, and travel in 2026. Review. The Sony E70 to 350mm f4.5 to 6.3 GOSS lens is a powerful telephoto option for creators building a list of the best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026, especially for wildlife, sports, outdoor events, travel, and distant subjects. On the Sony ZV-E10 II, this lens gives impressive reach, making it easier to capture faraway details without physically moving closer. Its 70 to 350mm zoom range is ideal for creators who want more than standard vlogging or everyday shooting. You can film birds, animals, action scenes, landscapes, and compressed background shots with a professional telephoto look. The built-in optical steady-shot stabilization is also valuable for handheld shooting, helping reduce shake when using longer focal lengths. Image quality is sharp for an APS-C telephoto lens, and the G-series design gives it a more premium feel compared to basic zoom lenses. It is not the best choice for low-light indoor video because of the variable aperture, but for daytime outdoor content, travel photography, and cinematic zoom shots, it is a strong Sony E-mount lens for 2026 creators. Number 1. Sigma 16mm f1.4 DC DN. Best wide-angle lens for Sony ZV-E10 II. Vlogging, video, and low-light in 2026. Review. The Sigma 16mm f1.4 DC DN contemporary lens for Sony E is a highly popular choice for creators comparing the best lenses for Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026. Especially if you want a sharp, wide-angle lens for YouTube videos, vlogging, talking headshots, and low-light content. On the Sony ZV-E10 II, the 16mm focal length gives a natural wide frame without looking too distorted, making it useful for desk setups, room videos, travel clips, and lifestyle content. Its bright f1.4 aperture is the biggest reason many creators choose this lens. It allows more light, creates stronger background blur, and helps your footage look more professional compared to a basic kit lens. For video creators, it also performs well in indoor lighting, evening scenes, and cinematic B-roll. Because it is a prime lens, you don't get zoom flexibility, but you gain excellent sharpness, a fast aperture, and a clean, creator-focused look. If you need a reliable Sony E-mount lens for vlogging, video, and photography, the Sigma 16mm f1.4 is a strong 2026 option.